everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you couldn't tell by today's title of the video, I purchased some makeup and skincare from YesStyle. As I was browsing on YesStyle, I came across this BB cream. Now, this is one of YesStyle best seller when it comes to makeup products. Majority of the time when you come across foundation or face products on YesStyle, majority of the time they can only work for people who have the same skin complexion as cocaine. And as you can see, I do not have a similar complexion to that. But to my surprise, as I was scrolling through the shade range, I actually found a dark shade and I immediately add this to my bag. But it's by the brand Parito, and this is their Cica Clearing BB Cream. I got in the shade 31 Deep Warm, which is the darkest shade. Now, I was stuck between this shade and shade 27 Tan Beige, because online tan beige look to be really dark. However, thank God for YouTube tutorials, because when I went on YouTube, I saw just how light it was. I finally got the Unique, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Unique Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum. This is like one of the most popular Korean skincare product that you can get off the market. But another popular skincare that I'll be trying out for the first time is the Mizon. It's the Mizon Snail Repair Eye Cream. Lastly but not least, I decided to pick up this powder blush. This is the brand Cavity Doll and their collaboration with Hello Kitty. This is the Cotton Matte Blusher in the color Choco Apricot. By the way, before we start, I do have a YesStyle code. My code is Coriza777. Make sure you add my code in your shopping cart so you can save money. I already wash and tone my face. I also add an essence. I use my favorite essence of them all, and that's the Innisfree Firming Energy Essence with fermented soybean. That is such a long name. Now it's time for the next step, and that's going to be the serum. It absorbs in my skin really fast. My skin looks so much brighter now too. I feel like, especially my cheek areas, I feel like it got a lot brighter. So now it's time to apply the eye cream. Wow, this packaging is like really sleek. Last step of the skincare routine is going to be this sunscreen. Now, this sunscreen used to be available on YesStyle. I don't know why it's not anymore, because this was like one of their best sellers. It was pretty much a 5-star product and they just discontinue it. It's a really long name, but it's the Skin and Lab Dr. Vita Clinic Free Seed Sun Lotion with SPF 50. Yeah, SPF 50. I think after this video, I'm gonna go on Amazon to see if I can find it off of Amazon, because this is hands down my favorite sunscreen ever. Okay, I'm gonna let my skincare sit and kind of marinate into my skin, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to do my eyebrow, and of course I'm using my favorite eyebrow pencil, and that is the Etude House Drawing Brow in Cool Gray. Eyebrows has been done. The thing I'm super excited about the most, currently nobody in the reviews had reviewed this particular shade. And as of right now that I know of, nobody on YouTube has reviewed this particular shade. So I'm really excited and I'm really nervous. A lot of Korean foundation tend to have that pinky base tone to it. So it's gonna be super gray or super red. It's never in between. And I'm really hoping this one will be neither of it. This is what the BB cream looks like. It's in a nice tube bottle, as you can see. It's a very clean simplistic, basic type of packaging. Oh my god, y'all. It's not too far off from my skin tone. It's very golden. This is actually very, very golden. I'm really shook at the undertone more than anything because like I said, I was expecting this to show up very red. So the BB cream is really, really good. I can see why it's pretty much a 5-star product. My only issue is that the undertone was a little too warm for me. It's the right shade of brown, but slightly too orange. But I was able to correct that problem by using a super bright concealer to tone it down. It doesn't feel super oily at all. It doesn't feel super dewy. So I feel like this would be a BB cream that even oily skin people can enjoy as well. The majority of the dewiness was coming from the skincare I used prior to this, because if I were to use it on its own, it would give me like a natural type of finish. I don't think it is full coverage. I would say it's more of a light to medium, a very buildable coverage. This is a little bit more warm than what I'm used to. I'm going to take this concealer. It's one of my lighter concealers and it have a golden undertone to it. I do have to hurry just a little bit because I'm supposed to be meeting my friend up to get some coffee, and true to fashion, I am running behind. And lastly, that I'm going to show you guys is the blush. I'm really, really excited about this one. Oh, that is cute. This is really, really, really cute packaging. So you get this little puffer thing right here, which I don't think I'm going to use. I think that's really cool. You have this little thing that separates the blush from the puffer, because the Etude House Cookie Blush also have a puffer, and like the puffer is good to use sometimes, but I hate when I use the puffer and it has so much product on it because it's just been rubbing against the product the entire time. This doesn't really scream out an apricot color. If anything, it looks like a pinky brown. Oh my god, are you kidding me? First and foremost, this is really pigmented. This is really, really pigmented. This is definitely a good blush for brown skin and tan skin people. That is so pretty. Oh my god. For lip product, I'm going to take the Peri Para Ink Drop Mood Tint. Now I have this lip tint in a lot of colors. There's only 2 colors I don't have yet, and I'm thinking about getting them, but I love these lip tints. I really want to do a lip tint swatch video. This is in the color Misty Beige, I believe. It's color 08, and I believe that color was called Misty Beige. I got this blush because I thought the blush would really complement this lip tint, and it does actually. Okay guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. Nice, simple and quick video because I really just want to show you the few products that I recently purchased from YesStyle and how they will look on my face. I fell in love with the blush. Now this BB cream, it is a really good BB cream. I do like what I'm seeing so far. It's just the deep warm is a little too warm for me. It's not deep at all, by the way. If I were to compare this to a Western foundation, I would say this is very close to a Fenty Beauty 390 or 400, because I'm a Fenty Beauty 385, and that's the perfect undertone for me, because when I tried 390, it was way too orange. If you were thinking about getting either of these products, this is your sign to go out and get them. And of course, if you do decide to purchase these on YesStyle, please use my YesStyle code. It will help me out a lot. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.